welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a haul that I had to actually restock some things, but also I found a few deals that I wanted to share with you guys. And so I think I want to open the little ones, or we'll open the big ones because I think I know what this is. This one's easy. So here's a bigger box, and they always ship my toilet paper by itself. Oh, this time they did it, but nonetheless, hygiene by toilet paper. And then I got a set of brushes and a Halloween makeup set. Let me put this paper to the side. And so I'm gonna unbox this makeup set at another time. But this set was like $5 on sale. This set was I guess like leftovers from Halloween, and I'm gonna use this on another video. Like I said, I always try my makeup kits and makeup sets on other videos, so go ahead and watch out for that. And I'll probably try these makeup brushes out. And these makeup brushes were on sale for $6 something, so they were under $7. So I got a pretty good deal on both of them, and I think this, because it's a set, I think it was a really good deal because you don't have to pick out one by one, like whereas the ones I use are like maybe $3 each, up to like $3 each. They're by Elf, and they're white handles with pink applicators, but this one was just $6, and you just get a big set. How many are in here? I think it's a pretty big set. It doesn't quite say how many are in here, but I'm sure there's like more than 10, you know, so I like that. And then so I'll just put this in the front, and then we can just move that to the side. Here's another big box. And this one is my paper towels. And this one also has a let me just combine everything, because I got my hygiene paper items, household items, but like I got a pencil, and this pencil was like $3 by Revolution, which is the same brand. This is the Revolution Halloween Party makeup set. So that's a really good deal. And this next one, I'm not sure what's this one. So here's cotton rounds. This is to apply or take off your makeup, or you know, do whatever. You can use it for like alcohol, to apply alcohol or medicine to your, you know, topical ointments, and you know, first aid also. So this is a really good deal because I found this for like $3, and it has so many in here. It says 100 count. This is a really good deal. So here's more paper products. I got this for like $5. it says Balm Balm. These are sponge applicators, those little egg sponge applicators. And there's 5 in here in variety of color. And so it's like $1 each, but like, you know, I just don't want to buy $1 each, because like they usually are like $2 and some change each. So I just went ahead and got, like, you know, enough, and that, you know, that's fine with me. And then here is another makeup kit. It says Lip and Eye Kit, Shimmer and Shine Lip and Eye Kit by B Beauty Essentials. And it comes with an eyeshadow palette, eyeliner pencil, a volumizing mascara, a lip gloss, and a setting spray. This is Prep and Prime and setting spray. So you can use it before as a barrier for the makeup, and also put it on afterwards, so the makeup sets and stays on in place. That way you won't sweat it off. So let me try to. And then that's it for this one. Let's see this next one. This next one is this one is clothing. And it's a sweater. This is by Amazon. I can show you this. So as you can see, it's a Marvel sweater by Amazon Essentials. And if you look really close, you can see that it's the Star Wars all over it. This is in the size extra small with the zip up, and then it has like the drawstring in the top for the hood. It's just a basic hoodie, your basic hoodie. So here's the tag. I got this for $3. It's under $4, $3 and some change, so it's under $4, but definitely worth it in my opinion. And the last but not least, so like spring's here, so it's a good idea to have like zip up hoodies and pullovers. That way you just protect yourself, even though like if you're out and about and you get a little bit hot, you can take it off. But at night and early morning, you always want to have something. Here's this says setting powder. So this is a makeup. If I can get this open, you can see exactly what. Ooh. So I got one of these for my mom and one for me. And the reason I got one is because she's always like in the sun, and I'm always in the sun, and we love like, you know, that type of outdoor lifestyle. So I got one for me and one for her. These are kind of tiny, but 2 for like $5 is pretty decent in my opinion. $5 was around the price that they costed. Usually you get like 35 SPF. This was 50, which is perfect. because like for me, you know, I'm always literally directly in the sun. This is shaping powder, and literally it's face powder with sunscreen. How can you go wrong? So that's my haul. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My Sunday front. Bye bye.